Okay, we'll get some help turning. Here we go. Puppy. So in July we are going on a family trip. Yeah, that's Sophie, Wisconsin. That's Sophie. We're gonna grow. Okay, please. With two other families.
Yeah, especially.
It'll be a